Hello guys, this is TechSaumya. I am here with my second video. In this video, we are going to review the Asus Vivobook 14 which we had unboxed in the previous video. I was going to make this video a lot earlier, but I could not due to some work. But better late than never, so let us get started. Before we begin, please make sure to subscribe to this channel and follow me on IG at TechSaumya. This is the Asus Vivobook 14. Comes with the Ryzen 5 3500U processor, 8GB RAM, 1TB hard drive, 2GB RAM reserved for graphics. This device comes with a 60 Wh single cell battery which lasts around 3 to 4 hours on an average. Even though this device comes with the Ryzen 5 3500U processor, which is a lot better than the i5 8250U in the Surface Pro 6, it performs a little bit less due to the hard drive bottleneck. The first problem is that the speakers are okayish. You can see for yourself in this comparison. The second problem is that the Wi-Fi just does not show up sometimes. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. And thank you for showering your love on the previous video which is nearing 1.5k views. Please go and watch it if you haven't. And bye. Peace. Stay safe.